How to log in to your Prime Video account on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Prime Video account on your mobile device. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Play Store or the App Store if you're on an Apple device and do a search for Prime Video. So next, if you don't have this app installed, you'll be able to click on install here. Mine actually needs an update, but I'm not going to do that at this moment in time. So then where it says open on your device, tap on open, and then it's going to open up as this login screen. So enter in your Amazon account details. So if you don't have an Amazon account, you need to actually create a new Amazon account. But if you do, enter in your details, then tap on sign in. Here you can add in your mobile number if you would like, but I'm just going to tap on not now. And that's all it takes to log in to your Prime Video account on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.